Welcome back to Chinese Zero to Hero, where we offer complete video courses that take fresh beginners all the way to fluency, from HSK 1 all the way to HSK 6. From our HSK 2 video course, we selected this lesson and made it available on YouTube for a limited time only. Enjoy! In this video, we will look at how to say ordinal numbers like first, second, third. For example, I found my first Chinese book. This is my second job. To express the first thing, the second thing, the third thing, we use the construction D plus a number plus the measure word plus the noun. For example, the first book, 第一本书. The measure word is 本, meaning volume. The noun is 书. Note that 一 is first tone, even though it's followed by a measure word, but because this is an ordinal number, 一 remains the first tone. If you have problems with the tone change rules of 一, you can review it in the Chinese Zero to Hero HSK 1 course under Pronunciation 1.4.3. 我找到了我的第一本汉语书. I found my first Chinese book. 我找到了我的第一本汉语书. Again, 一 is the first tone. 找到了，找到了。
找到什么了？
我的第一本韩语书。我找到了什么？我找到了我的第一本韩语书。I found my first Korean book. 我找到了我的第一本韩语书。韩语 is Korean with a second tone. 韩语。汉语 is Chinese with a fourth tone. 汉语 See the difference? Another example, 第二个工作 second job, 第二个工作。这是我的第二个工作 This is my second job. 这是我的第二个工作。Another example, 第一次跳舞 first dance, 第一次跳舞。你第一次跳舞是跟谁跳的？ At your first dance, who did you dance with? 你第一次跳舞是跟谁跳的？第四件事情 means the fourth matter, the fourth item that you have to take care of, the fourth business. 第四件事情。第四件事情还没做。We haven't done the fourth thing yet. 第四件事情还没做。第五个 the fifth. 第五个服务员 the fifth waiter. 第五个服务员。第五个服务员帮助了我 the fifth waiter helped me out. 第五个服务员帮助了我。And that's everything on ordinal numbers. You can review the material from your textbook under Lesson 9, Notes number 3. If you found this lesson useful, you'll love our complete HSK 2 video course. We teach you grammar and vocabulary with 75 videos as well as quizzes, interactive flashcards, and Chinese character worksheets. Our course uses a textbook called HSK 2 Standard Course, which you need to buy from a bookstore. The first unit of each course is available as free preview. Just scroll down to the curriculum section and click Preview. To browse our collection of courses, click the square button on the screen. Keep in mind that once you buy a course, you will have it forever. Say goodbye to monthly subscription fees. Buy once, enjoy forever, plain and simple. The pricing is very affordable. Join us on the way to Chinese mastery, and I'll see you in the course.